Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can mark all messages as read on Discord server on PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer and first of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application on my computer. And here, for example, I'm going to mark messages as read on the server. If we want to mark all messages as read, we just need to right click on the server and then we can simply select the mark as read. Okay, and now all of the messages in the server have been marked as read. And then I'm going to, for example, mark all messages as read in the server. So I'm just going to right click on the server, click on mark as read. But since there is no messages, so I cannot click on this option. That's so easy, right? You just need to right click on the server and then simply click on mark as read. Okay guys, and that's all the way to mark all messages as read on Discord server. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.